Welcome to second video. We are going to discuss it now. Two-dimensional array accessing array elements using pointers. Okay, this is two-dimensional array header files for accessing elements for loop. For general accessing, we have 5 comma j. We access every element of 0, 0 first element, 0, 1 second element, 1, 0 third element, 1, 1 fourth element. How we are doing that means I will explain. Here in first array gives first dimension, second square bracket gives second dimension. Okay. In first array we have two elements, and since this start to 1 to as a one single element, and a 30 40 as a single element. That is the first position of these two elements. This is first position, this is second position. Okay, in first position we have another first position, that is 10. This is not first position, 10 is not a first position. Okay, this is 1 10 and 20 combined first position, and here 10 is first position in that. Okay, now if we want to access, we need to access 0 and 0. If we want to access 20, first we need to access 0, and after that 1. We want to access 30, first we need to access 1 and 0. We want to 40, we access 1 and 1. Okay, like that. Here we can know that A means we get address, percentage A means ampersand A means we get address, and single star A also we get address only. Why we are getting address? As I am told before, this total is single element. But a single element we don't have, we don't use the 10 and 20 combined. Okay, so instead of it is storing the address of 10 and 20. Okay, like a pyramid triangle, top, this one is top. By dividing, we get 10 20 and 30 40. After again dividing 10 20, we get 10 20 like a bubble. Okay, if we use two stars and 10, that means double dereferencing. Why double dereferencing? First dereferencing we get this one, and again dereferencing we get 10. Okay, like that we get 10 10 10. Okay, we are only dereferencing first element only. That's why I am getting 10 in a four positions. Next to this one, dereferencing first element, adding 1. What does that mean? It is a even though in single dimension we are getting directly adding one value, but here first it is this address. To address we are adding 1. That means it is adding again extra 4 bytes. See, this is address of here. After adding 4 bytes of value, we are getting this address. And now what we are doing, like A and 1. What does that mean? If we are doing 0 first, that means directly A. After then 1, that means what happens? A I value is equal to first time is 0, and second time is also 0. Only then we can access 10. That's why 2 times it will be 0 only. After that it will be 1 and 0, like that. Okay, by doing that we get, by observing we can get the first two elements 0, 24 24. Second element is 1, 24 32 32. This is 0, this is 1, index 1. Okay, this address value is 32, this address value is 24. Why this by observing 24 plus 4 means 8 bytes, 28. After plus 4 we get 32, right? By double dereferencing we get what 10, 10, 30, 30. Same as this. But we are getting here address, here we are getting value. That means first element, here this first element. 10, 10, 30, 30. Okay. The actual dereferencing also to access four elements. Address appear. Okay. To I means position. We have 0 and 1 position only for I. Okay. For I, that means we are adding 2 bytes or no bytes. No bytes means this one. 0 bytes means this one. And 4 bytes means this one. Okay. By dereferencing that, we are getting this address. Okay. By dereferencing this, we are know that J value is 0. And again dereferencing, double dereferencing, we get 10th position value. After so adding 4 bytes, and where J value is 0, and again dereferencing, we get 20 value. Now we are getting 1. That means 0 bytes, we are getting this one. That means we are moving to position this element. In that element, first J value is 0. So we are accessing 30 value. And after that, second 1. So we are accessing 40th element. That is, we are getting like this. To know, explain how every dereferencing and ampersand and how working, I explained here clearly. Do you have any doubts? Please comment. Okay.